guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning April the 11th to the 17th, using this mystery kit from the Pink Diamond Planner Co. I don't remember what month it was, but it will be in the title. And I matched it with this lavender hollow foil, also from the mystery, but I bought it separately because I was not subscribed at the time. But I noticed that I've bought every single mystery since then, so I just decided to subscribe and save me some money and some time. So anyways, the month of April, other than, well, I think the last week, I kind of went for like ethereal vibes, and out of all the months other than February, because that was my baby's birth month, I think it's my favourite month in my planner. I just loved all the kits that I used. I basically used lavender hollow 3 times this month, and then rose in the first week, but I just love all the kits I used this week. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I colour blocked again this week, and I think I did an even better job this week of matching the colours. But yeah, I'm gonna do a few questions as you guys watch me lay down my base. So the first question I'm going to answer is, what was the last movie you went to, and what did you think? The last movie I went to watch was Doctor Strange, the Multiverse of Madness movie, and I loved it, but I'm a huge Marvel fan anyways, so I watched it on release date and it was amazing and loved it. And yes, that was the last movie I went to watch. Next, wouldn't it be funny if this was the week I went to watch it? I doubt it though. I don't even remember when it came out. It might have been in May, so it was the next month. Yeah, it wasn't this month, but that would have been funny if that was the case. So next it says, what did you want to be when you were small? When I was a little girl, I wanted to be a pediatrician because I wanted to be a doctor for kids, because my mom wanted me to be a doctor, and I was like, if I'm going to be a doctor, I'm going to be a doctor for kids. And I grew up and was like, I don't think I could be a doctor, let alone a doctor for kids. So that changed. That's what I wanted to be as a kid. Plus I didn't like science much, so I didn't think it would have worked out to me being a doctor. What does your child want to be when he or she grows up? My child is currently 7 months old, so right now he wants to walk. That's what he wants to do. So I can't answer that question as of yet. If you could choose to do anything for a day, what would it be? It would be to plan and play with stickers all day long. I wish I could do that. I missed the days where I could. I took advantage of it, but now that I have a baby, the time to do that is not as frequent as I would like, since he sees my stickers and wants to touch them, and obviously he can't, because I would be upset. But anyways, it is day by day. I first marked playing with stickers this week. See, that's what I want to do with this 1 in a million sticker and a play with sticker script from Plannerface. I said it right the first time. Then I noticed it being the 8th week of my maternity leave, with this week 8 script from P&D stickers and a maternity leave sticker from Bella Planner. So on to Monday. Noted waking up early with an alarm clock sticker from the foil bundle and an up early script. No, that is just my writing. Wow, my writing looked like a script. Ooh. I use a laptop sticker from Olive Studio and a J in Office custom script from McPlans. I then use this like breakfast sandwich icon from the foil bundle to note getting breakfast. The breakfast script is from Carly Plans. Then I noted watching the Shannara Chronicles with a Netflix icon from the foil bundle. Next I noted getting some takeout with this bagel sticker from Carly Plans and also a takeout script from Carly Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Papershire and a Plan With Me binge script. No, this is not from Papershire, it is from the sugar box stickers. And then a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah. I then noted getting takeout again, oh, goodness, with this chips icon from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Carly Plans. I noted my husband gaming when he came back from work with a controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe Gaming custom script from McPlans. I noted having a movie night and with this GP Studio Girl and a movie night script from the foil bundle, and I watched The Royal Treatment. Then watched Switched at Birth, and then so I think I finished Shannara Chronicles and started watching Switched at Birth, which I stopped watching. The TV icon from the foil bundle. Oh no, this TV icon is from SBC actually. On to Tuesday, I noted the entire AF with a bed icon from the kit and a entire AF script from Planner Hannah. I used a stack of pancakes icon from the foil bundle to note eating breakfast. The breakfast script is from Carly Plans. I noted taking a bath before 10 o'clock with a bath sticker from Paper Candy Art and a bath script from the foil bundle. Then I noted cuddling with my baby with this Beneva's Creation sticker and a Magic Cuddles script from Carly Plans. I then noted that one of my work friends came over to visit with a heart icon from the foil bundle. Then I noted watching more Switched at Birth with a TV icon from the foil bundle. In the extender, I noted eating some salad with the salad icon from the foil bundle. I noted Malik sleeping on me in the living room with this Beneva's Creation sticker and a Sleep on Mama custom script from Make Plans. Then I noted eating some rice with this cutlery icon sticker from the foil bundle. I noted my husband gaming again with this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe gaming script from Make Plans. Then I noted that there was a mix-up with my Tesco order, and I noted that with a grocery cart icon from Paper Candy Art. Then I noted that my baby was still feeling sick with the sick sticker from Glam Planner and an Abdomalik custom script from Adobe Aim Designs. On to Wednesday. At the top of Wednesday, I marked being tired AF again with this sleep mask sticker from SBC and a tired AF script from Planner Hannah. I noted waking up early with a alarm clock icon also from SBC. And then we're taking a bath with this bath sticker from a freebie. I don't know what shop it was from though. And a bath script from SBC. I used this jam sticker from Paper and Milk and a breakfast script from Carly Plants. You know, I had some toast and jam for breakfast this day. Then used this planner icon from SBC and a Plan With Me binge script from Planner Hannah to note a Plan With Me binge. I noted changing the sheets, which I don't usually mark, so I don't know where I marked it then, with this bed icon from SBC. And I noted calling the GP with a phone icon from the foil bundle. I noted that Malik was giggling and laughing with this Paper Shire vanilla tickling a smaller vanilla. Next I noted getting some takeout with a burger sticker from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Carly Plans. I marked watching some more Switched at Birth with a TV icon from Sweet Choir Designs. And then used this sticker from PinkDiamondPlannerCo to note having some Malik Cuddles. The Malik Cuddles is a custom script from Carly Plans. Then I noted doing some cooking with this saucepan sticker from SBC and a cook script from Temp Loves Crafts, I believe. But it could be from Happy Sticker Designs, but I don't remember buying cook scripts from her. It's either one of those shops. Then I use a heart icon from the kit to note that another work friend came over. I noted doing the correct grocery order coming with a grocery cart icon from Paper Candy Art and a grocery script from the foil bundle. I noted that Malik was fussy with this crying baby sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted watching shows with my husband with this Glam Planner couple sticker and a watch shows with Babe custom script from Make Plans. I'm a big fan of Make Plans scripts if you haven't noticed already. On to Thursday, I marked that it was a payday with a money icon from SBC and a payday script from the foil bundle. Then noted waking up early with this Rise and Shine munchkin from What's More of Love. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a SBC sticker icon and a Plan With Me binge script from Hannah. Then noted doing some budgeting with a card icon sticker from Paper Candy Art and a budget script from the foil bundle. So there's an extender here. In the extender I noted cuddling with my husband and watching TV with this couple sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio. And I used a cuddle script and a with my love script, both from SBC. I noted that Malik was in his bouncer chair with this Glam Planner baby and like cuddling a teddy bear sticker. I then used a washing machine sticker from SBC and a laundry script from the foil bundle to note doing some laundry. I noted my husband gaming with a controller sticker from, what's it called, Carly Plans, and a babe gaming script from Make Plans. I then noted watching more Switched Up Birth with a popcorn sticker from Paper Candy Art, and then I noted that Malik wanted to sleep on me again with this Beneva creation, baby sleeping on the mum's chest, and a sleep on mama custom script from Make Plans. Now moving on to Friday. At the top of Friday, I noted that my husband was home and it was his day off with a house sticker from SBC and a day off script from Planner Face. I then noted that I set up my filming area, which I film at currently, with this Glam Planner. I don't know what this character is called, to be honest, gal planning. Then I noted doing some more laundry with this another plain goodness. Let's just wait. Okay, sorry about that. So next I used a Fox and Cactus Gal and a washcloth script from SBC to note doing some more laundry. Then noted folding the laundry, so probably the set that I did the previous day, and use another Fox and Cactus sticker, and the fold laundry script is from SBC. I then noted some more family visits with a heart icon from SBC and a family time script from Make Plans. Then I noted getting all of my stickers, well not all of them, but a bunch of my stickers out of storage because we assumed that we would be at my mum's house for a short amount of time, but the house that we were purchasing has so much issues that we're still here, and I was like, I cannot survive without my stickers any longer. So I got to my husband and my uncle to take it out of storage. So that was the day. That was why I set up my filming setup. I used this GP Studio Gal to note that. Next I noted organising my stickers with this a paper shire sticker and an organised sticker script from Make Plans. I noted pulling some stickers for the first plan with me that I was doing with this Jalen Paperco Gal and a pull sticker script from Carly Plans. Then noted filming a plan with me with this Olive Studio camera sticker and a film plan with me custom script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted a plan with me binge with this Olive Studio washi stack sticker and a plan with me binge script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted getting some frozen yogurt with this ice cream sticker from Strawberry Lime Designs. I then noted playing with all the stickers with this Stick with a PlanCo Gal and a play with sticker script from Planner Face, which I ripped by accident. And I did not put it back correctly because it looks super wonky right now. So on to Saturday. I noted waking up early with an alarm clock icon from the kids. I then noted having a bath before 10 with this bath time sticker. The bath time script is from Planner Hannah and the sticker is from Jalen Paperco. Then noted filming some more plan with me's with a camera sticker from Olive Studio and a film plan with me script from Adorably Amy Designs. Then noted that Malik was super giggly with this Beneva's Creation sticker. I noted reading with him with this another Beneva's Creation sticker and a read script from the foil bundle and a with Malik script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then noted that Malik was with his dad with this PMD stickers character and a Daddy Time script from, what's it called? Rounding Up Plans. I noticed buying some stickers with this Jalen Paperco Gal and a buy sticker script from Planner Face. Next I noted that Malik was with my mum, with his grandma, with this grandma sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio, and then with grandma script from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted putting away some stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from SBC, and I put stickers away script from Planner Hannah. I noted planning in the Malik's planner, which I had gotten for him when I found out I was pregnant, and I finally got it out of the loft. With this baby girl sticker from To Require Design and a time to get planning script from the foil bundle. I then noted that the baby that I was once observing came to visit with this Beneva's Creation cuddle sticker to note that. I then noted getting some takeout with a fork and knife icon from SBC and a takeout script from Carly Planned. And then I noted that Malik was fussy with this crying baby sticker from What's My Love and a Malik fussy script from Tilly Journals. Oh, I'm tired of talking. I've done so many voiceovers today. Oh, there is an extend on Sunday. So on Sunday, I noted waking up early with a pillow icon from SBC, and then noted having some snuggles with my baby with the PMD stickers character sticker, and then I used a Malik Cuddles custom script from Carly Plant. I then organised some stickers, so I used a Mr. and Mrs. Minko sticker to note that, and an organised sticker script from Kinsey's Creations, which is no longer open. I used a camera icon from Paper Candy Art and a film Plan With Me script from Adobe Design Center for filming. I noted that I was wearing Malik as I was filming with this fox and cactus, fox and like baby fox sticker. I then noted starting a foil inventory where I took pictures of all my foil and made a list of them. Sorry about the plain goodness, I just want to get this done with this asterisk icon from the foil bundle. I noted the YouTube binge with a YouTube play button sticker from the kit and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. I noted doing some memory planning for my baby with this PMD sticker, baby grow sticker, and a plan script from SBC. I noted that my baby was super giggly with this paper shire vanilla sticker. I noted that he couldn't sleep, or he didn't sleep, shall I say, with this crying baby sticker from What's My Love and a Can't Sleep script from SBC. I noted that I washed my husband's hair with this sticker from Carly Planned. And then I noted that I had bagels for dinner this day with a bagel sticker from Carly Planned. If you didn't already know, I'm a big bagels fan. Then I used this couple sticker from Glam Planner to note movie night with my husband. Well, my baby started off watching us, then he fell asleep. And we watched Encanto this day. I then noted that I then watched Cheetah Girls. This was by myself though, with this Monsuka Cat Studio character. And that was this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below to let me know what you thought of the spread. I'm going to show you guys a bit of a wiggle and then what was left of the kit. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll show you in the next one. Bye.